Sharky Lou. And today I'm just testing out my camera. This is my, it's Sony something anyway. Hopefully. Just finished an early shift. Fucking hell. So I thought half 3. It's crazy. I'll test out this tripod, see if it'll stand up. So I'm doing, yeah, I think I need the ball joint. Anyway, see ya. Actually, not see ya. I'm going to edit this together with my DSLR. This is my Sony, that right there. I can't remember what it's called. HV90. What is it? What did you say? What is it, Ripley? What is it? What is it? I'm going to switch over to my DSLR right now. And we're back. This is my DSLR EOS 700D. So I just wanted to check the quality of this, just see if it was any better sound wise. Image I'm guessing should be better because obviously it's a DSLR, but the only thing is this is obviously a lot heavier to hold. So I'll get it in the right light. It's quite bright actually, but yeah, so that's just a comparison test I'm just doing for myself. Obviously, because I don't know if I've mentioned before, but I'm going to New York. So hopefully it should be okay. I thought maybe this worked with the, oh, it's pretty zoomed in.